Everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I have a quick little video to share with you today. I'm going to show you the projects for my Darling Dino Bundle Class in the Mail kit. Because as I'm doing the video, I do have one class left. I had a couple of people, something come up, they couldn't do the class, so I have one left, so I'll show you. So that's ready to go, and it is USA only. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome, welcome. So during the live premiere, I am in the chat room. So head on over there, and that's where I'll be with my friends, and you can chit-chat with all of us. And if you have any questions, just holler. If you are watching the replay, then just leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you a really amazing thing that Jeff made for me. My husband, oh my gosh, he can make anything. I mean, he sets his mind to it. He's been making beautiful wood stuff for so long. Here, I think I've shown these before, but I have these stuck in my cupboard because I'm like, these are mine. So these are a couple bowls that he turned. I don't know how many years ago. I don't know if he numbers them anymore, but this is number 3 and 4. And this is just, I think this is mesquite. It's beautiful. But he's done, other kinds of woods, but he recently has been making pens. So I want to show that to you. So anyway, so I'm going to get my camera adjusted. So close your eyes just for a minute. One of my classes, it might have been one of the socials, he actually made cactuses, magnet cactuses, and everybody got one in their kit as a surprise. All right, so let me do the class projects to show you. So this uses my Darling Dinos. So this is my $1 million bundle. So it uses the Darling Dinos and the coordinating die. So these are the projects that everybody made that did my class. So like I said, I have one left while I'm doing this video. Now, when this video goes, it could be gone because yesterday I had 2. One went right away, and so yeah, so they could be sold out. Now, it doesn't mean you can't get the bundle on your own. It just means I don't have any more class kits once I run out. All right, so let me show you the cute projects everybody made. So this is a really sweet little book box, and I made it into a birthday card. So we're just slip this behind here, because otherwise if you peel this off, it seals it closed, so we're not peeling that off. We're just leaving it, and we're just tucking it behind here. And then what this is it folds all out, and it makes this cute little card. So hope your birthday is dynamite, and it's just adorable. So that is one of the projects. And then it just slips behind there. These are so fun, these little book boxes. Here's another one. And this one kind of reminds me of a wedding card or an anniversary card. So cute. Roar means I love you in dinosaur, with the cute little kissy lips. I'm like, I want some kissy lips added to that kit. All right. And roar means you're the best in dinosaur. And this looks really fun with that Meandering Meadows designer series paper, because then you've got that scene back there with the trees. There are so many amazing drawings in the Meandering Meadows that you could have these cute dinosaurs be anywhere with that. And my sunflower, oh my gosh, you know me and my sunflowers. I even have a new sunflower on my arm. So yeah. And this one, oh my gosh, this one is so cute too. Now I do use retired designer series paper, not all the time, but a lot of times I do use that for my classes. I keep some of my favorite designs because, you know, they just make me keep my costs down for my classes, and it makes it super cute, right? So this is another little one with the kissy lips. Oh, I just love this little guy. I love the whole set. And then I love this here, right? So this is, I used it here as a cloud. And then here's another one. So this, I had to do a calendar, of course. So you're terrific. And this is some retired designer series paper too. In fact, I am almost out of this paper. Oh, so I'm using it. I mean, it's pretty much, I don't have enough to do much anymore. But here, instead of using these as clouds, I use them as a bush. And you can see them kind of back there, some more of the cute little sunflowers, a more kissy face. And then everybody got, I just found these little inexpensive little dinosaur pens. I don't know how long they'll last, but they're super cute. And there was a whole variety of them. So everybody has, you know, a different one. So if you do the last class, this is the one you'll get. And this is what you would get in your packet. So you would get your stamp set, and I have signed it. And then you have your die as well. And then what I did do was I stuck inside the stamp set, I stuck a magnet, this is a magnet sheet or whatever, so that your die will stick to it, and you can keep them in with the kit, or they fit right in the envelope. And then I signed that as well. So that is you know, what you will get with the class. And then you'll also get your supplies. So you have your supplies, your embellishments, your twine, everything you need to make your project. So again, I only have one of those left as I'm doing the video, and as soon as it's gone, that is it. Okay, so let me show you this cute little thing that Jeff made. Now this is actually made, I have a bunch of the wood blocks, the Stampin' Up wood blocks. Sometimes I'll do, well, we don't even have, do we have wood blocks anymore? We don't. So sometimes I would get a stamp set and I would use the stamp set a different way or whatever. Emily gave me some blocks. So I just have like a stash of different size blocks. But he has a whole bunch in his shop that, because Emily, she doesn't like the wood blocks, so sometimes she'll find a stamp set, you know, somewhere, and she'll take it off and she'll put it somewhere else. So she gave me like a whole bunch of blocks. So he just puts them on his sander, takes the sticker off, cleans them up, and he actually made me a pen. So look at this pen he made. So it just spins. He bought like a pen kit, right, for the innards. And this is just some of these blocks. So he turned them, put that pen in there, and then I think he said he burned this to get that little, those marks there. But oh my gosh, is this not the coolest? So anyways, I mean, like I said, he can make anything. I mean, he made this out of a piece, so it's supposed to go like this so that it matches up, but I don't pay attention when I put the lid on. So he made this, and this actually has, it sits on my desk, and it has toothpicks and pen needles, and because sometimes I'll get my glue will stick, so I just kind of stuck that in there. It has the little, these are for if you have braces or bridges for flossing, but they're great if you are trying to pull ribbon through a button. These are perfect for that. So I just kind of have little things stuck in this one, and then I'm supposed to go like this so it stays even. What else has he made? I have on my desk here. He also made, now this, I don't know if I showed you these or not. This one I call Baby Hamburger because it looks like a hamburger. I think it looks, but it's actually a yo-yo. So this is my little yo-yo. It just sits on the desk, and I play with it once in a while. And I just call it Baby Hamburger because that's what it looks like. So I'm just looking around if I have anything like that I could grab quick. And I don't think I do, that I can grab super, super fast. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. Oh, I have this. So I also have this that he made. So it's just a little bowl. So I think even baby hamburger might fit in there. Oh, look, she does. All right. So anyway, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. And I hope you have a great weekend. And I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a twist. And that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. I think I've messed the focus up on here. So anyways, have a good weekend. If you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. Again, if you're interested in this last class, if I still have it available, holler at me. It is USA only. It is $60, and it includes, what I showed here, the PDF with the close-up pictures, a supply list, and then there's a private video so that so that you can make your projects along with me. And the video is about 3 hours, unless you speed it up. But it did take me some while to do the projects, and so yeah. So hopefully, but anyways. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.